Okay, so we had a pretty awesome day off in Melrose. What a cool little town. There's like mountain bike trails everywhere. The local bike shop's also a cafe. Really cool, awesome food, like cool bikes and stuff there. Good gear on the go. Um, so yeah, we've spent quite a bit of time there. We also went to a museum. So again, it's the usual kind of pioneer museum. But what I found really interesting, because I've got one track mind, is it actually had a diagram of the local brewery on the wall, which is like a tower. So they just like gravity do all the work. Like you start off in your fermenters at the top and it goes down and it works its way to the bottom of the tower where it gets put in barrels, which is really awesome. I liked seeing that. The old courthouse in there was pretty cool as well. The museum's actually in the old courthouse, so that was pretty awesome. But yeah, I don't know if it's going to come up on the screen, but I have been like bitten everywhere by mosquitoes, which haven't been a problem up till now. But now that they are a problem, they are a problem. I don't know why I always get like eaten alive by bugs and insects. Don't know what it is. Yeah, so we're on our way to Adelaide now. It should take 2.5 days, maybe 3. And we've actually been offered a place to stay for free. When we were at the Airbird Observatory, we met this lovely lady called Anne, who's actually out of town at the minute. They're off doing a sort of tour of the West Coast right now. And she said, well, my daughter lives across the street from my house. If you just go there, she'll let you in and you can crash at mine for a few days, which is amazing. Budget's starting to get a little bit tight. So having somewhere to stay for free, it just makes a world of difference. It means we can actually go out and enjoy Adelaide without having to like penny pinch the entire way. All right, so time to get the bikes packed up. Okay, so we're on the road, and as usual, the weather has taken a turn for the worse. But I mean, just check out that view behind me. It's not a bad part of the world to be in. We just stopped for a little snack and toilet break in Murraytown, and Bonnie discovered Charlie's Aeroplane.
It's so cute! I love it!
So we just rolled into Wirrabara, or Wirrabara. What a lovely little town. It's like almost like small town America. And we found more silo art, which is pretty awesome. What isn't awesome is Bonnie's been talking about a yellow streak on my wheel all day, and we just pulled over to check it, and it looks like I'm actually wearing through my tire. Like, I think we've not even hit 3,000 miles yet, and I've already worn through a tire. So I don't know if there's just too much weight on the back. Maybe I need to balance the bike a bit better or something. But it's a bit worrying. I'm glad we're hitting Adelaide in 2.5 days, because it looks like I'm going to be buying a new tyre. Not really what the budget needed right now, but anyway, silo art. Looks like we found another rail trail, and boy is it a pretty one. Okay, we just found this lovely bakery at the side of the road. Went in, had some pies, and it turns out they have this massive apiary attached. So, and you can just wander in. So we're gonna go play with some birds. Oh, fish.
I thought in America you wouldn't be able to have something like this.
Yeah, you need to close the airlock so they can't get out. Isn't it? Oh, hey buddy. He's pretty chill. Hello.
How are you? Oh! I think he just likes it when you touch his head.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm very scared.
Most of them are gentle. You gotta watch this guy here. Oh, okay.
He'll chew your feet, especially if you've got no shoes on, so watch him around your feet.
Fantastic. Ow! Why? Ow! Ow!
Which one's that one?
That one. Ow. Yeah, don't go near that one either. Okay. I was gonna say, if you want one, you can have this one. Oh, don't be nasty.
Not really naughty. Oh, uh-oh, I'm gonna get eaten. Ah!
Oh God. Okay. I don't know what to do.
Oh, that really hurts.
You got it? Oh, okay. Are you okay?
Bastard.
I'm so scared of birds.
Yeah, they like earrings and stuff. There's earrings all over the ground too, so.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to back off, buddy.
Is your ear okay?
Yeah, nice. I'm bleeding.
Yeah, you are bleeding. Oh no. Okay, we'll get cleaned up.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Debbie? Oh, okay. That one. Yeah? Oh God. That one you'll walk off. Oh, okay. Thank you. This one's friendly. That one's friendly? Oh, okay. You are difficult, aren't you?
Whoa. What is going on in here?
So funny. I don't know what he's doing. He's chasing his tail. Just wants attention. Aww. That name is friendly. This one. Aww. That's in his face. Oh, that's hilarious. Hi, what are you doing?
That's the girl.
Why?
You're one who like her.
Oh, that's weird. Huh.
Can't believe that bird bit me. Check that out. I'm getting it in shot.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh my God.
I'm saying.
Little arsehole.
I don't like birds.